Hi everybody, and welcome to another Jarrison Time informational video. In the following video, we'll be upgrading Jarrison Time from an install package. Before starting with the upgrade of Jarrison Time, we need to ensure that all users are signed out and that the JT Engine service is stopped. Firstly, we will need to open our File Explorer and then navigate to where the file was saved. This file can be downloaded from the Jarrison Systems website. Next, we will open the folder that we have downloaded. Then we can either double-click on the setup.msi file or the setup.exe file. They both work the same. Then the setup wizard will appear. We can then click on Next, select the I agree, click on Next again, and Next once more. The wizard will then install the upgrade for us. Once done, we can click on the Close button, close our File Explorer, open Jarrison Time, and log in to work on it. That will be all for this video. For related content, check the description below. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.